Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 1 Sloka. Tiraskrita Viplabda Shabdaha Shibda Hata Api Nasa Tatpare Kurvanti Tadbhaktaha Pravabohihi. Translation: the devotees of the Lord are forbearing that even though they are defamed, cheated, cursed, disturbed, neglected, or even killed, they are never inclined to avenge themselves. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 2 Sloka. Shatanisko Tanadaska Shatagame Bhupati Shatashwa Shatayo Raja Shataslokena Panditaha. Translation: if one has 100 niskas, he is called rich. And if one possesses 100 villages under his control, he will become landlord of that area. If one has 100 horses, he will be called as a king. And if one knows 100 slokas, he will be called as a pandita. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 3 Sloka. Shatam vihaya bhoktvayam sahasram snanam acharet laksham vihaya dartavyam kotim tvakta harim bhaje. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 4 Sloka. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravattate iti matva bhajante ma buddha bhava samanvita. Translation: I am the source of all spiritual nature. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectionally knows this, engaging is in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 5 Sloka. Matta pataram nyanya kimchidasti dhananjaya mayi sarvamidam protam zute manigana eva. Translation: O conqueror of wealth, their Arjuna, there is no truth superior to me. Everything rests upon me as pearls strung on a thread. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 6 Sloka. Divasena iva tat kuryat yena ratrau sukham vaset ashtamasaina tat kuryat yena varshan sukham vaset pure vayasi tat kuryat yena vriddha sukham vaset yavat jivam tu tat kuryat yena preta sukham vaset. Translation: firstly, if we work throughout the day, we can sleep peacefully in the night. Same way we can work 8 months and set all things. The rest of 4 months, that is in rainy season, we can live happily. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 7 Sloka. Vidvatvam cha narpatvam cha naiva kadachana Swadeshi pujyate raja vidvan sarvatra pujyate. Translation: scholarship and royalty are never comparable because a king is honored within his own country, whereas a scholar is revered everywhere. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 8 Sloka. Krishito nasti durbhiksham japto nasti padakam maunenam kalana nasti nasti jagarito bhayam. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Dharma evo hato hanti dharmo rakshati rakshita tasmad dharma nahantavyo mano dharmo hatavatid. If we kill Dharma will kill us. If we protect Dharma, In return, Dharma will protect us. Hare Krishna. Slokena vata dattena pada evakaksharena va abandhyam divya samkuryat dana dhyana karma bhi. Thank you. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 11th sloka. Anarogyam anayishyam masvargayam chati bhojanam apunyam loka vidvishtam tasma tat parivarjayet. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 12th sloka. आतुरेव्यशने प्राप्ते दुर्भिक्षे शत्रु संकटे राजद्वारा स्मशाने च यतिष्ठति स बांधवा. Thank you. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 13 sloka. Yuktahara viharasya yukta chetasya karmasu yukta swapnava bodhasya yogo bhavati dukkha. He who is regulating in his habits of eating, sleeping, recreation, and can mitigate all material pains by practicing the yoga system. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 14 sloka. नाच्यस्ततस्तु योगोऽस्ति न चैकान्तं अनस्तता न च तं स्वप्नशीलस्य जाग्रतो नैव चार्जुन. There is no possibility one's becoming a yogi. O Arjuna, if one eats too much or eats too little, sleep too much or does not sleep enough. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 15 sloka. Nasti kama samo vyadi, nasti moha samo ripu, nasti kopa samo vani, nasti jnana param sukham. There is no greater disease than desires. There is no greater enemy than illusion. There is greater fire than anger. And there is no greater happiness than getting this knowledge. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 15 sloka. Karpanya dosha prartha svabhava pruchami tvam dharma samuda cheta yashe yasha nishitam ruhitan me shishastiham tarnimam tvam prapadnam. Now I am confused at my duty and I am lost all composers because of my daily weakness. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me what is certain opulence. Now I am your disciple and soul surrender one to me. Please instruct me. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 17 sloka. Asoshan anvashoshatvam prajnavadam cha bhasase gatasim magatasim cha nana soshanti pandita. The Supreme Personal of the Godhead said, while speaking, learn words. Your mourning for what is not worthy of grief. Those who are wise lament neither for the living nor for the dead. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, the 18th sloka. Yashastra vidimushya vartate kamakarataha nasa siddhim avapnoti nasutam ka param gatim. Translation: he who discards scriptural injunctions and acts according to his own whims attains neither perfection nor happiness nor the supreme destination. Thank Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 19 sloka. Sulabha Purusha Rajan Satatam Priyavadina Apriyasya Sapadyasya Bhaktasya Sabudurlabha. Translation: O King, it is easy to get a person who always says words that please you. However, it is difficult to find one who can say something that that unpleasant to hear. It brings it welfare to you. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 20 Sloka. Guru na sasyat, jano na satyat, pita na sasyat, nani na sasyat, tam na chasya, patista sasyam, amochayedya, samupetamacham. Translation: one who cannot deliver his dependence from the path of repeated birth and death should never become a spiritual master, a relative, a father, a husband, a mother, or the worshipable demigod. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 21 Sloka. Ahara Nidra Bhayamaitunamcha Samanametat Pashubirnaranam Dharmo Hitesha Adhiko Vishesho Dharmena Hina Pashupi Samana. Translation: eating, sleeping, begetting children, and defense. These four principles are common to both human beings and animals. The distinction between human life and animal life is that a man can search after God and follow the rules and regulations, but an animal cannot. That is the difference. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 22 Sloka. Ahani ahani bhutani gachanti hayamalaya yashasta varamichanti kimmacharyam mataparam. Translation: hundreds and thousands of living entities meet death at every moment, but a foolish living being nonetheless thinks himself deathless and does not prepare for death. This is the most wonderful thing in the world. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 23 Sloka. Sarvasya chaham riti sanya vishno mataspriti jnanam pohanam cha vedaisa sarve yahmeda vedyo vedanta kridveda videva chaham. Translation: I am seated in everyone's heart, and from me comes remembrance, knowledge, and forgetfulness. By all the Vedas I am to be known, and indeed I am the confessor of Vedanta. I am knower of the Vedas. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 24 Sloka. Arjuna Uvacha Param Brahma Parandama Pavitram Pavavam Bhavam Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Ajam Vibhum Ahusham Vishave Sarve Devashinna Tadastata Asito Deva Lobhyasa Swayam Chaiva Pravishine. Translation: Arjuna said, you are the Supreme Personal of the Godhead, the ultimate above, the purest, the absolute truth. You are the eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest. All the great sages, such as Narada, Asita Devala, and Vyasa, confirm this truth about you. And now you yourself are declaring to me. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 25 Sloka. Vidya tatati vinayam vinayatrati patritam atra dhanamapnoti dana dharmam tatasukam. Education makes one humble. Humility makes one capable. Capacity allows to one make money. With ample wealth, one can perform good deeds. With good deeds comes accomplishment and ultimate happiness. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 26 sloka. Ujjamenaiva siddhanti karyani naiva noratah nahi sukyasya simhasya pravishanti mruge mukha. Translation: work gets accomplished by effort in drishti only, but not by merely wishing it. The animals don't enter into the mouth of a sleeping lion as such. Lion must go out and hunt for its food. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 26 sloka. Ujjamenaiva siddhanti karyani naiva noratah nahi sukyasya simhasya pravishanti mruge mukha. Translation: work gets accomplished by effort in drishti only, but not by merely wishing it. The animals don't enter into the mouth of a sleeping lion as such. Lion must go out and hunt for its food. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 28 sloka. मन्मनाभव भक्तो मज्जाजीनं नमस्कुरु मानस्पर्श सत्यं ते प्रतिजाने प्रियोऽसि मे. Translation: always think of me, become my devotee, worship me and offer your homage unto me. Thus you will come to me without fear. I promise this because you are my very dear friend. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 29 sloka. Jadacharatri Sheshtaf Tattate Varato Jana Tayat Prananam Kurute Lokastat Anuvartate. Translation: whatever action a great man performs, common men follow, and whatever standards he sets by exemplary acts, all the world pursues. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 38 sloka. काकचेष्टाबकोद्यानं तन्निद्रा तथैव च अल्पाहारी गृहत्यागी जति पंचलक्षणम. Translation: Kakachesta, the effort of a crow. Swanidra, the alertness of the dog. Alpahari, giving the right inputs to our senses. Grihatyagi, coming out of the comfort zone. These are the 8 qualities of a student. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 31st sloka. Tadvidhi pratipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshante degyanam jnaninastatvajarshina. Translation: just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized souls can impart knowledge to you because they have seen the truth. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 32nd sloka. Jivvate vartate Lakshmi Jivvatre mitra bandava Jivvatre bandara prapter Jivvate maranam dhruvam. Translation: by our tongue words only we will get assets. By our words only we will get our friends. By our words only we will get entanglements. That is why we have to be careful about our tongue and words. Tongue is the only one which is uncontrollable in our body, and whoever controls the tongue, he will be successful in his own field. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda, day 33rd sloka. Keyurani bhushayanti purusham ahara na jalloshvara snanam na vilepanam kusumam alankrita murtajaha aneka समलं करोति पुरुषं या संस्कृता दायते क्षीयन्ति अखिल भूषणानि सततं वाग्भूषणं भूषणम्. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Day 34th Shloka. Virtena vattate buddhi Shirena ayushvardhanam Shakena vattate yadi Mamsam mamsena vattate. Translation: ghee will improve the intelligence and milk will increase the longevity. Thus, by taking vegetarian food, we can avoid so many diseases. And by meat eating, the meat only grows in the body. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Day 35th Sloka. Janma karma cha medavyam jevam yo veti tatvata tatva deham punarjanma naiti mameti sojuna. Bhagavad Gita 4.9. Krishna speaking to Arjuna. One who knows the translation nature of my appearance and activities does not upon leaving the body take its birth material world that attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Happy Janmashtami to all. Day 36th Sloka. Etichamsha Kalapumsha Krishnastu Bhagavanshayam Indya Virakulam Lokam Dayanti Yuge Yuge. Thank you. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Day 37 Sloka. Kaumara Achare Prajño Dharmam Bhagavatam Niha Tullanabam Manujam Janma Tadapi Dhruvam Atatam. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Day 38th Sloka. Tesham Satata Yuktanam Rajadam Preti Purvakam Taramidhi Yogantam Jena Mamritpayanti Te. Translation: but those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Day 39 Sloka. Yanti Nyaya Pravrityasya Tiryam Chopi Sahayatan Apam Tanam Tu Gacchanta Sodaropi Munchati. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Day 39th Sloka. Teshamevanu kampadam aham agyana jantama nasayanmatya bhavastu jnanatibena bhashvata. Translation: to show them special mercy, I dwell in their hearts. They shade the shining of knowledge, darkness born of ignorance. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Day 41 Sloka. Karyamanasya Kuruvanti Tishtanti Swayamatape Falanyapi Parataya Kshasatpuru Kaiva. Translation: trees provide cool shade to others standing in the scorching heat of the sun, also provide their fruits for the benefit of others. Noble and righteous persons, also like the trees, live their life for the benefit of mankind. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Day 42 Sloka. Acharyat Padamatate Padam Shishya Swamedayat Padam Sat Brahmacharibhya Padam Kala Kramena Cha. Thank you. Hare Krishna. This is Vrinda. Day 43 Sloka. Yagna Dana Tapakarma Natajam कार्यमेव तात यज्ञोदानं तपश्चैव पावनानि मनीषिणा. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 44 Sloka. Asma sarvesu kaleshu mam anusya yudhyacha maya pita mano buddhar mamye aifasya samyasa. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 46 Sloka. नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनः तं नमामि हरिप्रणं. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 47 Sloka. एतावांसाप्य योगभ्या स्वधर्मा परिनिष्ठया जन्मलाभा परपुंसा अन्ते नारायणस्मृति. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Translation: The highest perfection of human life achieved either by complete knowledge of matter and spirit, practice of mystic powers, of by perfect discharge of occupational duty, is to remember the Supreme Personality of the Godhead at the end of life. By all means, we have to try to remember the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna all the time. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 48 Sloka. Ekam shashvam devaki putragritam eko deo devaki putra eva eko mandrastasya namanyani karmapi ekam tasya devasya seva. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 49 Sloka. Attaturanam na guru na bandhu Kamaturanam na bhayam na lajja Shuddhaturanam na rucha na pakvam Vidyaturanam na sukham na nidra. Hare Krishna, this is Vrinda. Day 50 Sloka. Vastrena kapucha vacha Jaya vinayvacha vakarihi panchabhirina vasanopi na vidyate. Translation: One has to be very clean in the following 5 things to be respected by the society. They are clothes, body, speech, education, and humility. Thank you. Hare Krishna.